Hello, traders around the world. Welcome back to another video. I made a promise I was going to do a series about Ftmo. So this is the first installation of the Ftmo series. Okay, so I'm just going to introduce you guys to who this or what this company is all about. Okay, and then I'll take you through the process of how to sign up, and I'll show you the background of your client area once you sign up. Okay, so let's begin and talk about Ftmo. So if you don't know what Ftmo is, it's basically a prop firm. Okay, it's a company that recruit traders. Okay, they don't just recruit any trader, but they recruit serious traders. So if you are not a serious trader, then I don't think it's the right place to go. Okay, because they mean business. They kind of fund serious traders that cannot trade an account size that they really want to trade, like someone who is very good at trading but is only limited to probably a few dollars that he or she will struggle to kind of trade that account. So if you're good, then they will take you through a process, and once you come out through that process successful, then you become an Ftmo trader. And what they do is they will fund you, and anytime you make profit at the end of the month, they split the profit gain with you. Okay, that is a nutshell of what they do or who they are. Okay, so how does it work? Basically, when you come to their website, it tells you everything that you need to know. Okay, but their process is a 3-step process, where the first one, you go through a challenge for you to know or for them to assess your trading skills. And once you pass the challenge, they will take you through verification. It's similar to the challenge, but more relaxed, in the sense that I will explain later. And once you pass the verification process, then you become an FTO trader. And once you become Ftmo trader, you become a trader of the Ftmo trading firm. Okay, proprietary trading firm. Trade risk-free and receive 70% of your profit. Be consistent and earn even more capital. So basically, once you become Ftmo trader, that's what you're gonna get. Okay, it's a very interesting company, which is why I have signed up, because I am one of those traders that I know what I am doing, and but my account size is limited, so I can't trade the way I really want to trade because of the account size. Alright, so that's why I decided to go with this company. So I'm basically going to document everything from the challenge to the verification process, and once I pass both and I become a full Ftmo trader, I will continue to talk about them in terms of the monthly trades and the profit split and everything. So stay tuned for more. So once you come onto the website, okay, you will sign up, but I will consider you trying the free trial first. Okay, because you have to assess yourself whether this is for you, because it's not for everyone. Not everyone is strict and disciplined with their trading. And with a prop firm, you need to be strict and disciplined as a trader because you have objectives to meet. So I would suggest you start with the free trial and see if it's something you can do. Okay, which is what I did. I did the free trial back in December, just before Christmas, I think. Yeah, 2 weeks to Christmas, that's when I started the free trial. And once I completed the free trial, I kind of waited because of the holiday season. I waited till now to start my challenge because now the market is now moving properly. Okay, so I just waited to start my full challenge. So I'll advise you to start with the free trial. Then once you finish with the free trial, then you pass it, because you need to pass the free trial so you know that you can do the challenge, because the free trial is similar to the challenge. Okay, so once you sign up for the free trial and you finish the free trial, then you can apply for a full challenge. Okay, so that's basically what this company is all about. So I'm going to go into my client area, which is when you sign up, where you're gonna see your details. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video and then I'll come back when I sign in. And welcome back. So this is my client area. Right, so once you sign up, this is where it's gonna take you. Okay, but again, like I said, go with the free trial first and then see if you are able to pass, and assess yourself if you are disciplined enough to go through this company. Okay, so this is the free trial I did, and as I said, I finished just before Christmas. Alright, and I passed. Okay, so the trading objective was very, I wouldn't say it's hard, but you need to be strict with what you're doing. Right, so once you pass the free trial, then you can apply for a challenge. Okay, now with the challenge, let's go back to the website again, and then I'll show you what the challenge is all about. So what is the challenge? These are the challenges. Okay, the first one, you can go in with a $10,000 account, or you can go in with a $25,000 account, 50,000 or 100,000. Okay, and then you can choose whether you want to go normal or aggressive. The difference is the trading objectives. So if you go with normal, this would be the trading objectives. Okay, and yes, you have to pay. It's a refundable fee, because at the end of the day, once you become a trader, you will get that fee back. But if you don't end up being a trader, then I'm afraid you don't get the money back. That's why I said you need to do the trial first to assess yourself if you can do it. So if you know you can do it, then you can apply it, because you are going to pay a fee. Alright? Okay, so with the challenge, you can choose any of this capital, and you can choose between aggressive and normal. The aggressive one will give you a bit of a difficult task, which is you have to make more in terms of profit. You have to make more profit, and your maximum daily loss is a bit high, and your maximum loss is a bit high as well. So it kind of gives you a room to kind of do what you want. But I went with the normal because I want to make sure I'm doing the right thing, and I'm not forcing the market to kind of pass it. I want to trade normal. If I see a setup, I take it, and my profit target is not that big, so I can just easily meet it. Okay, so I went in for the 10,000 for the start. Now you can apply for maximum three challenges. So the first one I have done, I have applied for the 10,000. The second one that I'll do, I'll go for the 50,000, and then the third one I'll go in for the 100,000. Okay, but it's a step-by-step progress where I want to make sure I pass this, then I go in for that, then I go in for that. Okay, once I get all three, every time I am profitable, I think after 4 months they will keep increasing these they'll keep increasing the capital. Okay, so it's good to go in that way. Don't just jump in with 100,000. It will be too aggressive for you. So for a start, as a new trader or as a good trader starting out, I would say go in for a small account with normal size, normal risk, and then build yourself up and see what the company is all about, if it's true. Okay, because some people think it's a scam, right? So if you go in small and you become a trader and everything is rolling perfectly, then you can start jumping up. Okay, so that's the challenges in here. So when you apply, once you pass the free trial, then you apply for one of these. Okay, you apply for one of these, and when you do apply, they will send you to a payment system where you can choose whether you want to pay with PayPal, credit card, debit card, or Skrill. Okay, those are the four payment system they use. So it's either you pay with a PayPal, or you pay with a credit card, a debit card, or Skrill. They don't accept crypto. So there you go, crypto traders, they don't accept crypto. Alright, so this would be your client area, and I think that's it for this episode. I will do a second video, and then I will talk about the free trial, and then once I talk about the free trial, I will talk about this challenge, because I want to take everyone considering this through the process, and then if you want to follow my steps, you can just go in and do exactly what I did. Okay, because at the end of the day, it's a win-win if you are sure of what you're doing, but if you're not sure, then it will just be a waste of time. So I'll leave this video here for now, and then I'll see you in the second edition of this series. Okay, until then, stay blessed and be safe.